Is 1 hour, 31 minutes, 35 seconds.
So then you've got like
So what just happened?
Man, we just watched the astronauts for Artemis 2 touchdown at the end of Open House. So we had our open house today. We had opened the doors at 1 to some tours for students to come by. We kind of started unveiling Alex to the world, and then we got to kind of cap everything off watching these 4 incredible astronauts touch back down into the ocean.
Splashdown confirmed at 7:07 p.m. Central Time, 5:07 p.m. Pacific Time. From the pages of Jules Verne to a modern-day mission to the moon, a new chapter of the exploration of our celestial neighbor is complete.